Okay, let's go to the verse 41. The first word here is wilakata. It has it means in English, and you shall take. So let's go to the syntax, or the first thing. This word has a conjunction wow. This has a verb kal and second person singular. So let's go to the next word, it. It is a definite direct object marker only, and there is no equivalent English word in this Hebrew word. So let's go to another word, halwiyem. This word, it has a article and nominative proper noun, a masculine plural. So let's go. Li, it means for me, and it is a preposition. And ane, it means I. In English, it is a pronoun, a person common pronoun. So let's go to the Adonai. It is in English, it is Yahweh. Yahweh, Adonai. So it is a proper name and masculine singular. And also tahat. Tahat in English, instead, it has a preposition, and I don't know. Yeah, it is a preposition, feminine singular. So let's go to the call. The call, it is a noun, a collective noun, masculine singular. It is translated to Greek as of all. Next, bikor. So bikor in English, the firstborn, and the syntax of it is nominative masculine. The first thing of it is nominative masculine singular. So let's go to Binay. Binay is among the sons. It has a preposition and nominative masculine plural. And also Israel, a noun, a proper noun, and it is translated to Israel. And the parsing of it is noun, proper noun, masculine singular. Next, we'et. We'et, it has a conjunction wow, and also it has a direct object marker. It is translated into and. And next, behemoth, which it means in English the livestock. So noun, feminine singular. And next, halyayim. Halyayim, it means of the Levites, and this phrase, or this word, it has a definite, a direct, it has a definite article. So it is a proper noun, masculine plural. And next, takat, or instead, it has a preposition. Next, kal. Kal, it means of all. Of all. Yeah. Of all. And it is a collective noun, masculine singular. And next, bikor. Bikor, it is a noun, a masculine singular. And next, behemoth, and it has a preposition, nominative feminine singular common. And next, Yahweh, the Binay of the sons, nominative masculine common plural. So next, of Israel. Israel, it is a noun, a proper noun, masculine singular.